As we wrap up our discussion today, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. The implementation of free higher education.
So, na-convert siya under Republic Act 11584 into NEMSU last July 30, 2021. Okay.